Welcome to my channel. Let's learn English with CNBC Market Insider. Let's get started. Stocks making the biggest moves in the pre-market: MSG Entertainment, BOX acquisition, Root Incorporation, and more. BOX acquisition. The special purpose acquisition company will take office sharing company WeWork public in a deal worth $9 billion, including debt. Starwood Capital, Fidelity Management, and others are involved in the deal as so-called PIPE investors. BOX rose 3.6% in the pre-market. Ford Motor. The automaker will idle production of its popular F-150 pickup truck through the weekend at the Michigan plant due to the global semiconductor shortage. Idle. If an engine or machine idles, it runs slowly but does not move or do any work. MSG Entertainment. The owner of Madison Square Garden and other venues is buying MSG Networks in a stock swap deal valued at more than $900 million. MSG Networks fell 4.9% in the pre-market. JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, Citigroup, Wells Fargo. These and other bank stocks are on watch after the Federal Reserve announced plans to lift restrictions on bank dividends and stock buybacks. That will occur after the June stress test if the banks show they can maintain sufficient capital. JP Morgan gained 1.1% in pre-market trading, with Bank of America up 1.5%, Wells Fargo up 1.3% and Citi up 1.3%. To lift restrictions. To take away restrictions. Analyst Capital Management. Analyst struck an agreement to sell its commercial real estate business to investment firm Slate Asset Management for $2.33 billion. The real estate financing company expects the deal to be completed by the end of the third quarter. Analyst gained 1% in the pre-market. Altria. The tobacco producer stock gained 1.3% in pre-market trading after Jefferies upgraded it to buy from hold. The firm said Altria's opportunities in so-called RRPs, reduced risk products, are underappreciated. Tobacco. A substance smoked in cigarettes, pipes, etc. that is prepared from the dried leaves of a particular plant. Microsoft. Microsoft is now in advanced talks to buy messaging platform Discord for $10 billion or more, according to the Wall Street Journal. Bloomberg had reported earlier this week that the two sides had spoken but that no deal was imminent and that Discord was leaning toward an initial public offering. Lean toward something. To be interested in something and be likely to do a particular activity. Root Incorporation. Root rose 3.9% in pre-market trading after a 4.9% increase on Thursday. The auto insurer is misunderstood, according to Citron Research founder Andrew Left, who calls it a disruptive tech company. Root has seen its stock price cut in half since its initial public offering in October. Uber Lyft. A Massachusetts judge has ruled that a challenge to the classification of drivers as independent contractors by Uber and Lyft can proceed. The ride-hailing companies had sought to have the case brought by the state's attorney general dismissed. The judge did not rule on whether drivers should be classified as independent contractors or employees entitled to benefits. Uber rose 1.1% in pre-market trading. Rule. To decide officially. NIO. NIO will suspend electric vehicle production at its plant in Hefei, China, due to the worldwide shortage of semiconductors. The suspension will begin Monday and last for 5 days, prompting NIO to cut its first quarter delivery forecast to 19,500 vehicles from the prior 20,000 to 20,500. NIO tumbled 5% in pre-market action. Progress Software. Progress Software reported quarterly earnings of 91 cents per share, 13 cents a share above estimates. Revenue beat forecast as well. The enterprise application software company also raised its full-year outlook. Progress Software gained 2.6% in pre-market trading. Zoom Video. Deutsche Bank began coverage of the video messaging platform company with a hold rating, based primarily on valuation after the stock soared in 2020. Deutsche Bank is bullish long-term based on Zoom's growth drivers, scale, and what it calls best-in-class products. Vocabulary. Idle. If an engine or machine idles, it runs slowly but does not move or do any work. To lift restrictions. To take away restrictions. Tobacco. A substance smoked in cigarettes, pipes, etc. that is prepared from the dried leaves of a particular plant. Lean towards something. To be interested in something and be likely to do a particular activity. Rule. To decide officially. Thank you for listening. Bye.